My name is Claire and this is my best friend Justin. Today we're exploring Chiang Mai and stuffing our faces with some of the best street food we've ever tasted. It may be our last day in Thailand, but our trip isn't over yet. We have a flight in the morning to Myanmar.
These were provided by the hotel, right?
Yes.
They're beautiful, Justin.
They're just
they suit
contour to my feet.
They contour to your feet. We're gonna get coffee. Here's the coffee spread, which for $20 a night hotel is quite lovely. You have hot water, you have coffee, you have Ovaltine, you have crackers. I tripped. I know you're shocked. Thanks, Justin. This is the best idea you have ever had in your life. Mango sticky rice for breakfast. That looks so good. It's apparently not as mushy as other places, which probably means I won't like it as much, but this is some of the best mango sticky rice in Chiang Mai, supposedly, so I wanted to have it. This is such a good breakfast. Online we read that the mango sticky rice was $40 a piece, but it is now $50. All of her signs have been updated, but 100% worth it. It's so good. I have peppermint tea for my throat. I'm in an N95 mask today to get serious about the pollution, so it stops irritating my freaking throat. And hopefully it'll be a nice, relaxing day. It is definitely hotter today than it was yesterday. There's sweat just dripping down my face underneath the mask. Justin's hands are swelling up again.
Good for your quality.
Oh man. We're going to this little artist village. It's a bit of a drive out, so the van wanted 50 baht per person. We just did the Grab taxi just for curiosity, and it turns out that would have been cheaper since there's 3 of us. Yeah. How much is the Grab taxi?
So from this spot we're down a little bit, but it's 100 baht.
100 baht, so it's way cheaper to do the Grab taxi. Today we just learned that the red buses have a button that you can press to tell the driver you want to get off. When you're bored at a stoplight, just have yourself a quick read. Making a keychain for my cat sitter, and I had a bunch of little stamps that I tried to choose from, but I think this is what I'm going to go with. There are 2 options at this restaurant, and there's no prices. Look at how beautiful this is though. How much was this, Justin?
I think 60. I got a little bit of the hot sauce. Nothing really good.
Hey, this is my table, and you're gonna give me some lunch now. Good kitty. It looks just like you, Justin. Justin and Matt want coffee. Here's my iced honey lemon tea. Justin's straight up black coffee, the way he loves it. So boring. And then an affogato. Look how gorgeous that is, though. 7-Eleven is our favorite place in the world. They have a strawberry sandwich. Listen, I kind of want to do that for dinner instead of a food tour. I love 7-Eleven.
Justin's a foodie, so we decided to try a tour that would allow us to sample a wide variety of Chiang Mai's best street food. We were not prepared for the sheer volume of treats we would get to sample, and by the end of the night, we were on the verge of exploding.
How is it, Justin? Are you happy? It's so moist. I love it. Oh, healthy deep fried chicken, nice. I did it good. How's your Thai fried chicken? Thai fried chicken is already quite spicy. Here's our morning glory. Surprisingly good. This is the minced pork. I love how crispy the basil is. So much food. This is a hot and sour soup that's mostly like cilantro and lime. It tasted like Mexican food to me. This tour has so much food. The portions are huge. This is like lettuce and noodles and chicken and an egg. Justin, oh my God, Justin. It's good. I understand why you wanted to add spice to it, but I like it without spice.
And colors come from these plants.
This is coconut milk with tapioca in it.
Sort of.
Sweet, this one
Kind of tastes more like corn to me, though.
This tastes so good. It's like rich and chewy and a little bit like corn, but not. But, oh, interesting to see the difference between Thai food and Chinese food. And whenever I see food I really recognize, it's deliberately something that has been made to cater to Chinese tourists. We get to smell a durian fruit. I'm nervous. There's signs all over our hotel saying no durian because it smells so bad. It's a strong smell, but it's like citrusy. It's a happy smell.
To me, it's like a rotten fruit. It's like a sweet rotten fruit.
Sweet rotten fruit. I could get on board with that. It's like sweet rotten fruit. Mango sticky rice. I will never get tired of mango sticky rice. I don't even have to share. The nuts on top are the crunchiest that I've had, and I like it. It was kind of a surprise. I like this better than the mango sticky rice we had this morning because the sticky rice is a little bit mushier, which is why Justin liked this morning better. What is that? This is a Thai donut. I feel good about this. When you dip your donuts in pesto? Oh, custard. Custard. The donut's okay. I prefer mango sticky rice. So Grab, which we've been using for taxis, has a delivery service. And apparently they'll come to the stalls and get you street food. Ooh boy. There's a ton of curry in this. It's good. This is like a macaroon apparently.
macaroon.
Oh, sure. It's mushier than a macaroon.
And better though.
I like it.
Better. It's good, yeah. That is good. This is rice flour with coconut milk that's been just cooked together. Banana and butter and chocolate and
Dough.
oh yeah. This looks amazing. Oh man. This is called
Roti.
roti.
I have one for you like
I'm sorry. Mine is like slipping.
Okay. It's still hot, isn't it?
What do you think, Justin?
Oh, hot.
In moderation.
In moderation? We are basically waddling home. That was seriously so much food.